Let's talk about how to identify your parent chain when you have a condensed structural formula or a Lewis structure. Either way, it would be the same idea. Now, how you do this is you connect the carbons without taking your pen or paper off of the screen, or I would suggest you do this on paper so you could feel what I'm talking about. So the idea is you connect the carbons without lifting your pen off of the screen. That's a long chain. I didn't say it was our longest, right? Then let me do an example where you lift your pen off of the screen. And if you can't feel it on the screen, you should be able to tell if you do it on paper. So for example, if I were connecting the carbons to find my longest chain and I went like this, sorry. This connection right here, there's a lift of your pen off of the paper or off of the screen. You can try it and you will feel exactly what I'm talking about. But in order for you to find your longest chain of carbons, you have to be able to connect the carbons without taking your pen or your pen, sorry, off of the screen or off of the paper. So let's see how many carbons is in the very first chain of carbons that I drew, which is, I'm going to redraw it in purple. This was our first one. We went here, here, right? So this is 8 carbons, right? So we have 8 carbons over here. We already established that the red was not a long chain, but the question is that really my longest chain? Let's do another chain where we do not lift our hand off the paper. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. See, didn't take my hand off. It's a smooth feel and a smooth movement. I really suggest that you do it on paper. Let's count our blue carbons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So blue is 9 carbons. So your longest chain of carbons would be 9 carbons. And remember, this is what this looks like. So anything that is not a part of your longest chain of carbons, which is the blue chain, right, is a substituent. So let me circle our substituents. I want to use a different color to circle our substituents. So this would be a substituent. This would also be a substituent. Anything that is not a part of this blue line that we drew here, right, is called a substituent. And your substituent, as you should notice, they're connected to a carbon that is a part of the long chain. They hang off of the long chain.